In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually receive payment in Bill.com. This is really useful when a customer pays you outside of Bill.com, maybe by cash, check, or another method, and you need your records in Bill.com to match what actually happened in real life. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Bill.com account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a second to be sure you're in the correct company or organization profile if you manage more than one, because any changes you make will only apply to the company you're currently viewing. Next, look for the main navigation menu and click on the Bills section. This is where all of your outstanding invoices and bill records are listed. Give the page a moment to load, and then scan through the list to find the invoice or invoices you've already been paid for, but that Bill.com still shows as unpaid. When you find the right invoice, check the box next to the invoice number. If you received one payment that covers multiple invoices, you can check several boxes at once, as long as you're sure those are the invoices that were actually paid. Being careful here helps keep your records accurate and makes reconciliation much easier later on. With your invoice or invoices selected, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on the option labeled More Actions. This opens a small menu of actions you can take on the selected items. From that menu, choose Mark as Paid. This doesn't move any money through Bill.com. It simply tells the system that you've already received the payment by some other method, and you're updating the records to reflect that. A new window will appear asking for details about the payment. Take your time filling this out. Enter the payment date, the payment type, such as cash, check, or another method, and, if you have it, the check number or reference number. Adding accurate details here helps you later if you ever need to trace a payment, respond to an audit, or resolve a customer question. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. Bill.com will update the invoice status to show that it has been paid. At this point, you've successfully recorded a manual payment, and your Bill.com records should now match your actual payments received.